Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, lived a kind-hearted old woman named Maria. She was known for her generosity and wise counsel. One winter evening, a young traveler knocked on her door seeking shelter from the bitter cold. Maria welcomed him warmly, offering him a hot meal and a place by the fire. As they sat together, the traveler noticed a small pot boiling on the stove. "What is that?" he asked curiously. Maria smiled gently and explained, "It's my magic soup. It has the power to fill any empty stomach and warm any heart." Intrigued, the traveler tasted the soup and found it delicious beyond words. He couldn't resist asking for another bowl. Soon, word of Maria's magic soup spread throughout the village. People came from far and wide, hoping to taste its wonders. Maria gladly shared her soup with everyone who came to her door, never asking for anything in return. One day, a wealthy merchant heard about Maria's soup and decided to visit her. He tasted the soup and marveled at its flavor. "I must have this recipe," he declared, offering Maria a bag of gold coins in exchange. But Maria refused, saying, "I cannot sell you the recipe, for its magic lies not in its ingredients, but in the love and generosity with which it is made and shared." The merchant left disappointed, but he couldn't forget the lesson Maria had taught him. From that day on, he began to share his wealth with those in need, just as Maria had shared her soup. And in doing so, he discovered the true magic of kindness and generosity. The moral of the story is that true wealth lies not in material possessions, but in the kindness and compassion we show to others.